Well, let's take another call from Karen.
I was in a car wreck a couple of years ago. A deer ran out in front of me, and the insurance company really didn't want to settle with me correctly with the medicine and all, and previous other things. And I want to know if there's further actions that can be taken for my medical conditions to be taken care of.
Yeah, what will you tell Karen?
Well, first off, Karen, I'm sorry to hear that you got in this accident. So it's a little unclear based on what she said whether or not she has received anything from her insurance company or not. To me, it sounds like she may not have gotten paid for something yet. However, you know, when a deer is involved, right, there's no at-fault party, right? There's no one to go after on that. So it's probably going to depend on what her policy is, right? Her med pay, right, covering for her injuries, maybe some collision if she damaged her car. You know, it can take time. It may be worthwhile to have a lawyer look at it to see, are they stalling, right? You also want to be careful with, you know, any sort of statute concerns, right? If they don't pay it or if they deny it or what have you. So I would recommend Karen to call a lawyer to kind of look at this and determine, you know, is she getting compensated for what she deserves and what she needs, right?
Mm-hmm. Well, as far as the statute of limitations, I mean, as soon as you get it started, is that all you need to do?
That's correct. So maybe not in Karen's situation specifically, but if we're going against, you know, another party, for instance, the case doesn't have to be completed by the 3 years or, you know, in certain situations 1 year. The case just needs to be filed. So all you would have to do is file that lawsuit, and that's what it's a tolling the statute, right? Mm-hmm. So then you can litigate the case. I have many cases right now that I'm handling that are longer than 3 years, but we filed before that 3-year mark.
Okay, yeah, that's great.